Suddenly I'm feeling flawless. Funny how your body can make me change my mind. Change my mind. Funny how your body can make me change my mind. Change my mind. I swore tonight would be the last goodbye. Tried to fight it, but girl, you're fire. One touch and I lost control. Now I'm falling head to toe. Simple things, they look exotic. Suddenly I'm feeling flawless. Funny how your body can make me change my mind. Change my mind. Funny how your body can make me change my mind. Change my mind. Maybe it's wrong, maybe it's right, but I can't walk away tonight. Your touch, your eyes, they pull me in. Guess I'm falling all over again. Funny how your body can make me change my mind. One more time, one more night. Funny how your body can make me change my mind. No goodbye, I'm staying right.
All right, what's going on, everyone? Good morning. The market is open, and right out the gate, we got some volatility happening. What's up, everyone? What up, what up? Hope your trading day was good yesterday. We are going to get after this Big Bag Wednesday. You know what time it is here on YouTube. Once again, just showing the world what we do. Drop a like, drop a comment. Tell me how your morning's going. Are you in a trade? Are you up already? If you got a W, type W in chat. Why not? Tell the world, man. Brag a little bit, you know what I'm saying? All right, so we're going to go top-down analysis starting with the 4-hour time frame here on the Nasdaq. We're going to waste zero time. What do we got, Johnny? Actually, let me go daily. I'm gonna go daily first. All right, weird daily candle, Monday and Tuesday wrapped into one. Very strange how that works. Can you guys hear me okay? Are we good? Everyone type in chat. Just let me know that you're good. What up? What up, what up? We got 3 likes. Let's smash the like button. Let me know you're good in chat. Nick, what up? Mike, what up? Charles, what up? Let me know you're good. Let me know that you can see everything fine and all that stuff. What up, W? Nice. Congrats, Nils. Nice. Mike, nice with the W. Tom, good. Kevin says morning. What up, guys? 19 people in here, 7 likes. Let's get the likes going. Get the YouTube algorithm pumped up. Al Bundy coming in with a $265 dubs. That's what's up, bro. That is what's up. That's awesome, bro. Congratulations on your 256. You know what I'm saying, Al? Al, what are you doing to get that 256? Did you come in? Did you take the challenge? Are you applying what we've taught in the challenge? Did you learn anything from the Midas touch? Like, you know, it's great that everyone's winning, but are we applying what we're learning, or are we just kind of like going long, going short, and just getting lucky? What do you guys think? Are we doing all right? What are we doing here, huh? What's the strat? Tell me what the strat is, guys. Tell me what the strat is. What up, Rob? What up, Encore? Al, I know. Okay, got you. Okay, got it. So I already know, Rob. I already know you are applying. I already know we've talked. Rob is crushing it. Al Bundy is Robert in the private group, right? In the Midas Touch. And so he's been crushing it, man. All right, so we're going to get the top-down analysis. I do want to pin the challenge. So this is the TMT interactive challenge. You can go take it. It's live. Bam. Let's go ahead and pin that up, and that way you guys, anybody that's new, can have access to it. What do we think? Let's get a poll going. Do we think today's gonna go up or down? Let's see, green or red day. Let's go green, let's go red. Let's see what you guys think. All right, start the poll. Just try to get some action in here, see what you guys are thinking as well. Just for fun, man. Let's go. All right, daily time frame, real quick, okay? All we need to do on this daily time frame is very simple, okay? We need to look at previous daily high and low. These are important metrics to look at. Previous daily low, right here, bam. Previous daily high, right here, bam. This daily candle from yesterday, like I said, kind of weird, but we're gonna mark it out. Previous day right there. I'm gonna mark out the previous low that was not taken right over here. And this is the high of the market. I do want to get the all-time high going in here, even though I don't think we're going to go up and grab it this week, but we'll see. We might. We're right there. I just have this feeling, man. She's going to like fail swing. She might turtle soup. If she turtle soups, I'm going to be excited. All right. But anyways, let's see here. Let me go mark the low. Previous daily low down here, way down here. I got to mark it. I got to have it on the chart, okay? Previous daily low. Got to mark those on the chart. Now, look, I've saved presets. So all I got to do is click this little button, and you can see I got previous daily high, previous daily low. So PDH, right over here, bam, PDH. Now watch this. I do the same thing, and I go PDL, bam. See, so everything looks nice and pretty because you have to make it look pretty if you're going to make money. Wrong answer. You do not. Oh, man. But anyways, it's nice to have. Okay, let's mark the shelf. Let's mark the, actually not the shelf. Sorry, we're going to mark the imbalance. See this imbalance? This is a fair value gap. If you don't know what a fair value gap, you're an idiot. I'm kidding. Dude, chill, relax. I'm just trying to have some fun, man. Can we have fun and make money today like I do every day? If you're new to the channel, this is what I do. I have fun and I make money. And I trade, okay? It should not be taken that serious. Relax. So what Robert said, he said, man, you're the first guy I came in and like, I was like, you know, smoking a blunt, chilling while I was trading. That's what he told me. He said he smokes a lot of blunts and he just like chills while we trade. So I'm kidding. Don't be mad at me, Rob. Rob's a cool dude, but he's definitely, I don't think he's smoking blunts. But he was like, man, when I first saw you, I thought you were a clown, bro. I thought you were an idiot. And then I started seeing you just fucking win. And I was like, what is going on here? And I was like, yeah, well, that kind of happens. And then he was like, I started applying what you're doing, what you've said. He's like, I paid all this bullshit money for these groups. And he's like, you know, I think he said he like, what'd you do, Rob? You like tripled your demo. You tripled your demo using what we've taught or whatever. Anyways, it's good. I like these stories. Okay, so going down, now I got the daily fair value gap. See this fair value gap? It's important. Why? Well, that fair value gap actually aligns with a shelf. The shelf is the last opposing candle to the swing with the body, starting at the body and including the wick, the furthest wick up or down. In this case, it would be up, right? And so that's what I'm the king of shelves. If you haven't heard of a shelf, I've invented it. I'm sure ICT has a name for it in his thousands of, videos and hundreds of thousands of hours of content, and he's made up terms for everything. So if anyone has a real term for that, let me know. I will totally just abandon mine and say he did it first. But anyways, that's the shelf. And what we can do is we can enter off these shelves. And in fact, what I like about this daily fair value gap right in the middle, about 50%, is where price tends to want to go. And if you do your research on just imbalances, you will see that 50% of imbalances like to get filled or more, right? So anyways, you 3x. So Al is Robert. That's who I was talking about. He 3x'd his account using what we've taught. And I asked him specifically, are you just getting lucky, or so anyways, I just think that's fucking badass. Good for you, Rob. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame, check it out. All right, 4-hour time frame. Well, it's a horrible price action. This is really not trending price action. You know what I said before, and I'm going to stick to it. There's no such thing as horrible price action. There's just price action that's choppy and price action that's trending, and you can make money in both. But in this case, we got our high. Let me go ahead and line this out, okay? So from a structure point of view, you got the highs. You have a 3-candle pullback. This is your low. So that is your range. This is the range that we're in currently on a 4-hour, something like that. We're scalping, right? So what we want to do is we want to look at daily bias. Well, first of all, let's go to the daily once again. We've printed a candle that is saying stop the momentum. All right, and this is 2 days combined. I just want to make that clear. This is a Friday, and this is Monday and Tuesday. So this is 2 days combined. The momentum said, you ain't going up. Don't pass $200. So I do think we're going down. My daily bias right now is down. But what am I going to wait for? Type it in chat what we're going to wait for. Everyone in here who knows the game and actually makes money trading with me knows exactly what the fuck I'm waiting for. And they know it's the easiest daily bias. If you watch my videos, you pay attention, you subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell to a real G, then you will know the easiest way to find a fucking daily bias. I'm tired of this ICT bullshit. Stop listening to Casper the Friendly fucking Ghost. Wake up. Thank you. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. 15-minute candle range, dude. It's as simple as that. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I'm just gonna make it like a big deal. It's not. You just wait for the first 15-minute candle, and then that's after that. There's whatever's. If it's above, you're up. If it's down, you're going down. But there is a secret to it. The secret is, my friends, and this is why this guy on the Patrick Whalen channel today, this dude, I can't effing believe I come across this short last night. He literally, this guy, I guess he's been preaching it, man, longer than me, but I don't know, man. This guy is like some type of guru on the internet, but he's on Patrick Whalen's channel. I forget his name, but anyways, he's like, the orb strategy, the 15-minute candle orb. It's like the 15 orb. Okay, so it's the open range breakout. Okay, and what does he say? He says the first 15 minutes. I'm sitting there going, bro, this guy like hear me or something? Like I don't know anybody else teaching this shit. Nobody, I swear. And like this is the first time I see it. I see this guy teach. I'm like, whoa, but he doesn't do it right, man. He don't do it right. He ain't got the sauce. The sauce is this. You guys ready? For the 33 of you in here, for the 33 who want it, smash the effing like button. First of all, because I'm about to give you some alpha on how the 15-minute range works. And if you really actually want to figure out your daily bias, like the direction of price, I'm going to tell you, but I'm not going to give it to you free. Okay, we're not doing freebies in here. Smash the like button. I got 14 likes in here. I want to see 30 likes. When we get to 30, I'll tell you. But it's the sauce on how you do the 15-minute range. The reason why I'm so fucking accurate and I'm in here showing you on YouTube. I did it for 2 months almost, and we hadn't had a red day. We had a losing session. We had 2 losing sessions, but we didn't end red. How did I get 8 wins in one day? How did I get 6 wins the day after that? How did I get 3 wins? Like on average, 2 to 3 wins, dude. Like how am I doing that? It's because the sauce is in how you find the daily bias. It's that simple. So the 15-minute orb, come on, we got 5 more likes to go and then we're there. Like give me a break. So the 15-minute orb, right? This is what he talks about. What he says is you line out the first 15-minute candle, okay, and then you're basically finding your daily bias above or below that range. So we got our first 15 minutes. We're going to mark the range of our first 15-minute candle. And I just have this little rectangle box right here. And then I have a preset, which is pretty dope. I recommend it. It's pretty dope. It's like 15-minute range, right? When I click that, watch what happens. Bam. Right? So it actually makes it really easy. There's my range, right? And I'm just waiting for price. Like what he says is this, okay? He says as soon as price breaks this range, you're going to take a short. It is literally, guys, pro fucking traders use this to make money. Don't tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't tell me this doesn't work. You're an idiot if you don't think this works. If you're going to fight me on this because you're like an ICT fanboy, you're an idiot. You're going to go down the road of complication and you're going to probably keep blowing your account. This is what literally like pro traders use this. I know they use this. Some of the most professional traders, the guys who've literally been on the board with the Robbins Cup, this is part of their strategy. And so, but here's the secret sauce. You ready? Thank you for the 25 likes, but we got 5 more to go. And then I'll tell you the secret sauce. I'm sitting here setting it up, and like I thought you would pick up what I'm laying down. Whoever hasn't smashed the like button, we got 25 likes. We need 30. So there's a secret sauce. And if you know this secret sauce, then you will actually have a daily bias confirmation. You do not want to just take shorts once this breaks. I disagree wholeheartedly. Even if a 1-minute candle breaks, even if a 5-minute candle breaks and closes, there you go. 29 likes. We got 1 more and we're at goal. And we can do this. Who's going to do it? There we go. Bam. What you want to do is you want to wait for a 15-minute candle body, okay, like this candle, to close outside the range. So it would be something like this. I'm going to change this to a candle so you can actually see what that looks like. It would not be red. You don't want red. You want green. So you want green. So, right. So you want a 15-minute candle body closing outside of this range. If you can get a candle body, if you're confused on candle bodies, let me give you another secret sauce. Right click your chart. Go to settings. Go up here. Turn the wicks off. Bam. There you go. So now you don't have to worry about the wicks. See how clean price act? Don't you wish it was just this? Wouldn't this be so much easier? That's why I tell people this is exactly what a line chart is. Did you know that? That's what a line chart is. It's literally without the wicks. So it's just candle body closure. So you can do one of 2 things when you're looking at structure. Now, personally, I like this. Why? Well, because when you're on the line chart, you can't count 3 candles, right? And if you watch my videos, you know what the F I teach and why we're successful is because I use structure the right way and I have a 3 candle pullback rule. So 3 candles must be 3 candles pulling back in order to create a swing. So how are you going to see a swing on a line chart? You can't see it. And why are there ads on this effing video? Dude, are you kidding me? Golly, I'm so cheap. I need to pay for the upgrade. One of these days I'm going to do it. I'm going to subscribe to this YouTube. What up, Troy? I didn't even see you in here, bro. My bad. What up, man?
What up?
You doing all right?
Yeah. Yep, just chilling.
Okay, I can't hear you. That's weird. Hold on, let me see. I don't know why I can't hear you, but I'm going to fix that right now. Hold on. Why can't I hear you? Make sure your settings are good. I think they can hear you, but I just can't. I think, let me see.
Yeah, you can hear me? Okay.
Say something?
Check. Check,
yeah,
check,
I
check.
don't know what's going on. I can't hear you at all. It's weird. Why is that? Monitor and monitor output. Say something?
Say check, check, check.
Damn,
How's that?
I don't know why I can't hear you. Can you guys hear Troy? Let's see. They're probably like, yeah, you're an idiot, dude. We hear him? Well, shit, that doesn't really help. That doesn't help me at all. Hold on. Let me just see what's going on here. Okay, I think, let me see. Default MacBook Pro. Let me just try to change this back and forth and see if that helps. Say something.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there you go, baby. We got you loud and clear, bro. Let's go. Okay, so basically you want that 15-minute candle body to close outside the range. Is what no, I'm just kidding. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Good.
We're on one this morning. Yeah, so guys, you just want this 15-minute candle body to close outside the range. Confirmation would be the closure of that 15-minute candle body. If that's the case, then guess what? Our bias is down. Now, check this out. Look, watch. What did we do when we first jumped on, right? What did we do up here? I'm an idiot. Let me turn on these wicks again. There we freaking go. All right. What did we do? We came in and we saw how that previous candle closed, right? Okay. Now, what else do we have on this? Somebody tell me how this candle formed. The candle that we're on, I want to teach you a little bit of what we call candle theory here, and it's very important. You know, if you know the power of three, you know, there is some sauce to it. Now, I don't believe that everything is in threes. I don't believe that price is always consolidating, then manipulating, then distributing. It just does not work. If you go back on the chart, you try to just find those, it doesn't work. But if you only look at it during certain times of the day, right? And you only, like, you can pinpoint this shit. I mean, there is something to the whole concept of consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Absolutely, there's something to it. I don't really love the PO3 strategy because it's like, it's one tool. Have it in your tool belt, maybe know it, but it ain't all it, okay? That's my opinion. But anyways, what do we see here? Somebody tell me how this daily candle formed. Think about it. I want you to think about it. Candle theory. You don't even have to know PO3. Just think about how this candle formed. What did it do? Think about it. It opened up, right? It opened up. Looks like it gapped down. So we had a little bit of a gap down. You can see the gap on here on the futures chart. I pay for futures data, right? If you don't, that's fine. Futures chart, everyone's on the same chart. Like, one broker isn't showing you different data from another broker. So I do love looking at the futures chart. Although yesterday, just side note, I'm with a broker and everyone got wicked out on a 1 minute time frame. It's like an 80-point wick. Like, we're like, what the F, dude? We emailed them. They gave us our money back. But the point is, it was annoying. What did we do? So load and loud and clear. No, guys, come on now. Come on. Morning. Can't wait to jump on. All right, guys. Type in chat, how did this candle open? How did this current daily candle, look at it? I know some of you guys know this answer. Help us out here, okay? So we see on the daily time frame, how do we get our daily bias to the downside? We know we got our 15-minute range. You guys got the alpha on that. So that's what's up. Now what? Now we look at how candles are formed. This is going to help you tremendously, man. I'm telling you. You guys are going to get a big up right now if you don't know. Opened high. There you go, Nick. Thank you, Nick. There you go. Who's this? Rain. It went up to hit the high. Damn, that's real. I can barely read this chat. My eyes are going bad. Hit the low, then came back up. Okay, think of it real simple. Nick said opened high. Okay, good. That's good. What did it give us when it opened high? Right? It gave us what? It gave us the closure of the gap. Yes. What else did it give us? It gave us a top wick, right? You see that? Okay, so now look at all the candles on the chart. Do pretty much all of them have a top and a bottom wick? Yes, right? Yes. So if it opens high and our daily bias, if we're getting a daily bias off this candle, that's our candle. That's our daily bias is now what? Probably choppy or down. Yes? Do you guys all agree? Type yes or no in chat if you agree. See this candle right here? I just want all of us to be on the same page. This candle right here that every trader in the world can see. We're all looking at it and going, what does that mean, Bobby? Okay, so what does that candle typically represent? What does it represent? Stop of momentum, pause. Like, basically, probably gonna go down and reverse. Maybe. It's a sign. It's not a guarantee, right? But it's a sign. Here you have a different type of, you can't look at this kind of candle because it's had a huge buying wick, right? So, but if you look, here's a very good example. Here are some other very good examples, right? These are basically saying stop of momentum. Like, look at the Doge down here. Like, you're not going up. Like, it'd be different if we were looking at a candle like this, right? This would be like, oh shit, like, we're probably going to continue this trend, right? Or like this, like, what do you think is going to happen, you know? So when we see this, look at that. What does that mean? That means today is either going to what? Chop, weakness. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, bro. So if you agree, type 1 in chat. If you agree, we're going to go step by step. We're like decoding it like ChatGPT here. Ready? So we all agree that this is a stop of momentum. It also means that you could, right? We could reverse, right? or just weakness in the market. Maybe we chop, maybe today's another Doge candle, because we've seen before on the daily time frame, you can have, you know, multiple Doge candles in a row, like what we saw right here, right? So it may be like this. Maybe we end just kind of like this is a nothing today. So how do we kind of get more information? Okay, what's the next thing that we can do? Thank you guys for contributing in chat, because this should help you trade, man. This is going to help you process how your daily bias is formed. And we haven't broken the 15-minute range, so we're chilling. We're chilling right now. Don't worry. What's the next thing you can do? So we know yesterday was a stop of momentum candle. Okay. So what's the next thing? Somebody type it in chat. You're going to get a gold star if you get the answer here, because this is alpha right now. What's the next thing we can do to get our daily bias? We got our 15-minute range. We kind of see that stop of momentum. But is today going to be like one of those, like, you know, low volatility days? Hint, hint. Or are we going to have some volatility? Well, what brings in volatility to the market? Somebody pick up while I'm laying down. Come on, man. Pick up what I'm laying down. What brings volatility to the market? What can we look? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, Charles. That's what I'm talking about, bro. We can go to the news factory, bro. We're going over to news. So we look at news and we see, okay, what kind of news do we have today? Well, let's refresh the screen. First of all, Mike, my God. What we can do is we have the FOMC minutes. So that's what we have. It looks like Forex Factory is just not reloading for me. I don't know what's going on, but we have FOMC minutes. This is huge. Okay. Why is this huge? Because the minutes describes their reasoning, the Federal Reserve's reasoning for not reducing rates. Okay. So you get to see how bearish or dovish, okay, how hawkish, I should say, or dovish these people on the Federal Reserve panel are, okay? So the FOMC does bring volatility to the market only if there's a surprise somewhere and you're like, what? Fed Chair Barr is hawkish and doesn't win, like half the, like they said this, you know, like basically it's what's inside that script. I swear to God, what they do is they take the minutes, somebody gets it early, I know they get it early, and then they run it through some ChatGPT shit, and they like have it programmed to where like if it says this amount of word, like it'll just know if it's hawkish or dovish, and if it's dovish, if it's good for the market, they're buying more. I swear, that's like, I'm pretty convinced. But anyways, so we can see that we have FOMC minutes, tomorrow's unemployment claim. So tomorrow, unemployment, is that going to move the market? Maybe. But are we going to get like some serious smack to the face volume? No. The answer is no. The answer is, unless there's something in that FOMC minutes meeting, or unless there's a tweet from Trump, right? Because this can happen. If there's a post on X from Trump that has to do with tariffs, if this Russia thing goes south, if some type of news event happens, so what do you think you should do? Probably listen to the news, you know, and have the news, you know, just something to think about. But from a chart perspective and from just what we know volatility wise from news, forget about the news for a second. Just look at the chart. Is anything really in our way, like volatility wise? No, nothing's really in our way. So we can really look at the chart and actually chart. That's kind of nice. If there's news, doesn't matter what you're doing with the chart. Like your chart will get trumped. Does that make sense? It does not matter. Yeah. So basically we can see a stop of momentum. That means down or sideways. So we're like this. This is kind of like where my daily bias is at right now. If we break the 15-minute range with a 15-minute closure underneath, I'm going to hop over to the 15 because we are underneath it right now. And we got a minute and 41 seconds. So that could give us some pretty good indication that we're going down, right? And now we have our previous daily low as a target. So we'll go ahead and highlight that target as a low. That's pretty close. That's really not that far at all. It's only 60, 70 points. I'm going to put the previous daily low over here as well. And we're going to take a look at one more thing before we get going, which is SMT. Over to you, Troy. You like that? Troy?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really see a whole lot right now as far as SMT. I would like to see one of these take out maybe yesterday's low, and then we could go up from there. But right now we could, probably just keep pushing down. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, is previous day's low to get tapped on one of the pairs. If you know, you know. So yeah, That's all I got right now, brother.
That's what's up. Is it snowing where you're at, by the way?
It's not snowing right now, but it was all day yesterday, pretty much.
It's coming down, dude.
Ice. The roads are just a sheet of ice.
It's ice, baby, eh?
Yeah, nice. It was fun.
Well, yeah, guys. So it looks like we're gonna close below that 15-minute range. We're really not that far from. Let me just see here. Equilibrium would be like right about here. We're really not far away from that equilibrium. That's only 20 points. I think I'm gonna take that short as soon as we close. And you know, if she does flip on me, then she flips, but I really, you know, today is one of those days, so this would be flip range. I am taking a short now, going in here. Wait for it to come up a little bit. That's fine. Not in just yet, but that's fine. I'll take it right there. All right, so I'm in there. The stop. Now, some of you guys don't know how I trade. Maybe you're just like, you know, so for every 40 points, so every 40 points on the account is going to be about 1% of my account size. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. That's the way I have my sizing set up. I have I have my MT5 or MT4 going over here. So I got the sizing set up to where it's about, it is 1% of the account balance for every 40 points. So if you can look here, we'll go down. 40 points is right here. And so I'm risking probably less than 2% if it reaches this and closes outside with the 15-minute range to the upside. Then I'm flipping my perspective, and I probably will not trade for the rest of the day if that happens. Because why? Well, I mean, first of all, we could go right back over to the daily time frame, and let me just point it out again. Because of this shit, we have just, it's not, do I really think we're going to pump up and keep going for the day? No, I don't. I don't think we're going to do that. So because I don't think we're going to do that, I am not going to flip and go long. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just wait for it to see how this daily candle prints, and then get into tomorrow with a little bit more information on the day. But this is I would call this a day trade. It's definitely not an intraday trade, but it's also a scalp. It can be a scalp. It's not a micro scalp. You won't love it for, like, you know, strictly, I would say you wouldn't love this for like maybe prop purposes, right? You want to be in and out. A lot of people just love scalping, but that is, that's the setup that we have for the day. FOMC at 2, yes, right. And so that FOMC meeting could throw everything off. Right now, what we're gonna do, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take what the chart is giving me. Let's see if we chop around, maybe get that 40 points, right? Get that previous daily low taken out. I'm pretty sure we will at this point. That's what I think, based on the daily candle, based on I haven't even gone through the sessions, bro. All I've, like, Troy, you see how I'm breaking this down for them? Like, this is like, I'm like going deep today. But like, look at the sessions. We're literally inside of a candle. So this is what you call an inside range day. I definitely think the low of previous day or high of previous day is going to get taken, like today. So that inside bar day on an FOMC minutes day, I don't think is going to remain. I think we're going to definitely take the low or the high. And here you can see everyone's in the green right now. Let's go. An easy win would just be a straight drop pull down. And that would be like, let's get it, right? But yeah, that previous daily low looks weak right now. So once again, we're going to go ahead and take another W here on live YouTube. Once again, just showing you guys what we do. If you want to learn it, go to the pinned comment. I got the live interactive challenge up. I trade different, dog. I am just different. So if you want to learn what goes on in my crazy mind, then come join the challenge. Go follow me on Instagram. I just opened that up. Hey, thanks guys for going over to the Instagram, man. Thanks guys. You follow me on the IG. Dude, listen, I got 2 kids. I was like, I told Troy, ain't nobody want to see my life, bro. I ain't driving like a Lambo around and, like, you know, trying to be like a kid. I'm not a kid. You know, I have a family. I have responsibilities. Like, I have shit I have to do during the day. I'm not driving around like in my Lambo saying that you can, you know, have a Lambo life if you go day. Like, you're going to probably lose if you're day trading. Most likely you're going to lose all your money. So that's like, unless you spend years, or you come in and you get groomed and like you have a mentor like me who shows you every single move they make, then you might be able to tap into something else. But there is this thing called intuition, and it's real. And there's this thing called luck, and it's real. But you need a strategy, right, Troy? You need something you can lean on. And if you're a day trader and you don't have time for this scalping shit, you need something more mechanical. And that's why we have the 21 EMA, and it does work. It's been proven. Bill Williams already proved it with the fractals. There's like he's like 11,000% in the Robbins Cup, dude. Like, it's already been proven. But mechanical systems are so sexy to us. We want them. It's just the problem is 99.9% of them do not work. If it did, man, we'd all hop on that bot, and then the bot wouldn't work anymore, right? So there is a subjectivity to it. And it has to do with what we did today. We went through from a top-down analysis, right? And we can also see like this inside range. This is your day, right? This is Asia. This is London. This is New York. This is very, 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 very simple. I just want to make sure you know that. So if you're looking at this and you're like, oh, he's got like 8 things he's looking at to do. No, bro, no. What did I tell you when I got on? 15-minute range, broken. Closed. We're taking a short. It was literally a 15-minute range short idea. That's all it was. But it stemmed from understanding, right? Here's where it gets a little deeper. How that daily candle formed, a little bit of the PO3, and, you know, understanding that your inside day, you're most likely going to take a high and a low. We're low on the day, momentum's to the downside, structures to the downside on the low time frame. You have structure to the downside on a 5, all the way down to a 1, but you're inside of a 1 hour range. What's your 1 hour range? Your 1 hour range is over here. We're about to break it. And up here. So there's your 1 hour range, right? So it's like the understanding, actually that's not the 1 hour range. This is the 1 hour range, and all of this in here, in this area, let me move this over. All of that is internal structure, all of that. So that's how that inside range works. And you look at the wicks over here on this 1 hour. So what do we call something like this? When we see a bunch of wicks over here, what do we call that? Support. It's that simple. Don't second guess yourself on support and resistance, dog. It's real. Like, support and resistance still works. And you also have a shelf over here. Just kind of zoom out for you. But look at this. You're breaking a shelf now. So now we have a shelf and support and resistance. So that previous daily low really wants to get tapped right now. Or she doesn't. Or that's it. That might be the full move, man. And the reason why I say that is because look at all the buying down here. Like, people are buying. I don't know what to tell you. Like, you know. So look, just use your eyes, you know, look at these wicks. So what do you think is going to happen in this area? Probably, ooh, that kind of looked like it was going to be something bad. That looked like it was going in the wrong direction. Snap crackle. All right. So right now I'm shutting down half the trade. Yeah, go ahead, man.
Yeah. This guy in the chat, like, we don't really care about retire on Solana. So yeah, stop spamming the chat. That's dumb. Like, you're not going to get anywhere in life doing that kind of crap.
Yeah, Solana to the moon, baby. No, dude, I'm a big crypto guy. The deal is that I'm a big crypto guy. I mean, this channel used to be crypto, so
yeah. Kevin, tell him, Kevin. If we were in the room and somebody started promoting that, they'd just get body slammed right now. It would.
I mean, that's what we have admins for, dude. Come on.
That's right. Yeah.
All right. So, like, what I want to do, Troy, I want to go take out this low, but I just want to be really clear. Like, 40 points is the target. You know, that's 1%. If you can get a 1% on a day like today with a weird ass candle the day before, like, you do not have a really, really solid direction today. That's just the bottom line. So
tomorrow's going to be the day. Tomorrow's going to be the day that we make the big move. And guess what, Mike?
Yeah.
We're going to be live, baby. Not here on YouTube, but in our live trading room with our group, with the peeps.
We're going to be there again? I thought we do that every day.
We do. We're going to be there tomorrow.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
we do.
Yeah, we're going to be there tomorrow.
All right, so there's TP. Once again, just showing you how it works here, y'all. But what do I know? You know, what do I know? I'm just some guy, man. You know, and that's the truth, man. I do want to tell you guys, I'm just some guy. So, hey, big fat W to the room. Type W in chat if you rode with us on that.
Yeah.
I'm officially out of the trade. Not really looking for anything more today. Type W in chat if you got a W, man. I want to see the chat lit up with W's right now. That was very, very clear. Everybody in here should have a fat dub. That was like, the market was real nice to us today. Very easy. Did you guys like that 15-minute range theory? If you like that, you want more of that, the challenge is in the pinned comment. And I just want to say one more thing. Everyone, look at the pinned comments. I'm done with you talking. You've been talking look at the poll.
It's my turn to talk.
Look at the poll. Everyone thought it was going green, dude. Oh, sorry. Okay, go ahead.
Well, she could flip later today and go straight right up. All we need is that high time frame grab, and that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm waiting for. And everybody knows in the community what we look for.
Yeah, hold on. Don't give it away. No.
But hey, listen. I've got a lot of people that have gone through the challenge. They're messaging me privately. They might be on here watching. Listen, they don't want to move any further than the challenge, right? They're just like,
good,
I'm just taking a strategy. I see the 15-minute range thing. This is great. I love it. I'm just going to keep rewatching these videos.
Okay,
right?
good. Yeah.
Here's a piece of advice. The odds of you being a successful trader on your own in your bedroom or living room or your office, wherever you're at right now, doing it all alone by yourself with no other interaction from other human beings, the odds of you being successful, little bitty. It's gonna be very, very tiny, right? You need.
I mean, that's a really that's motivational, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, you're really motivational. Let me tell you.
Stop going around YouTube to YouTube, strategy to strategy. Find a crew. I don't care if you join us. I don't care if you join our community or not. I really don't. Find somebody you jive with and you connect with and go all in with them. Because guess what? They're going to help you. There's going to be people in there that you can develop relationships with. You're going to be seeing these setups day after day. You'll be able to go in and trade with a mentor every single day like you can with Mike and get closer access with them.
They can't do anything with me. I'm not showing them anything. I'm not showing them
That's how you get better. That's how I got better. You can ask anybody in our community that's successful right now, that's actually making real money month after month with this trading thing. They're doing it. They're doing it the right way. They're not saying, they're putting their ego down. You got to put your ego to the side and say, okay, I realize I suck. I've tried this. I've blown too many accounts. And just sink your teeth into something, guys. Quit DMing me, telling me that you're just, kicking tires, essentially. Like, oh, I do this, I do that. There's a reason why you're here and you went through the challenge because you're not profitable and it's time to level up. It's time to take the next step and take action.
Well, here's my next step. I got the kids home today and I'm going to go play with them for the next 5 hours and have some fun. I made 1.2% on my account. I hope you guys made a little bit of money. That was the market was nice to us. So we got Kev. Shout out to Kev. Shout out to Stuart, Tom, Charles, Nico, Ancor, Rocket, Al, Robert, Stony. Shout out to Nick. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to Jonathan. Shout out to Chris. Who else got W's? I mean, we got 40 people in here, and I know that's not 40 dubs, so but I know a lot of you guys are doing other things too, so all good. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. I think we're gonna hop on. Whoops. Oh man, too much coffee. I think we're gonna hop on 1:30 and cover the FOMC minutes. So we'll see you in the afternoon session. Peace.
See you guys.
Later, y'all.